Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Chloe Newhart, and I will be doing a presentation on the Unit 7 creative process. So we'll start with just a short explanation of design thinking and creative process. Design thinking is a process aimed at creating the preferred condition through a structured process. The design thinking process involves multiple steps, which you will recognize as the design process, including emphasizing, defining, ideating, prototyping, and testing. So the first stage of the design thinking process is empathize. The goal of empathizing is to gain the empathic understanding of the people you're designing for and the problem you're trying to solve. It involves observing, engaging, and empathizing, understand the client's experience and motivations, and it helps designers to set aside his or own assumptions. Good questions to ask are what, how, and why questions to gain some insight on your client's way of thinking. And here's some examples of empathizing. The second stage of the design thinking process is defining. Defining puts together observations about clients from the empathize stage. It involves analyzing, interpreting, and planning. It breaks down complex concepts and problems into smaller, easier to understand problems. It pieces the problems together to form a whole idea. To define well, you ask how might we questions. And here's some examples of defining. Now, the third stage of the design thinking process is to ideate, or ideate. The process where you generate ideas and solutions through sessions, through using specific ideation techniques. The goal is to generate a large quantity of ideas that the team can then filter and cut down into the best. For this, you ask the right questions and innovate with a strong focus on your users, their needs, and your insights about them. And here are some examples. The fourth stage of the design thinking process is prototyping. It involves producing an early, inexpensive, and scaled-down version of the product in order to reveal any problems with the current design. Prototypes are built so that designers can think about their solutions in a different way, as well as fail quickly and cheaply. It is an experimental phase, and the goal is to identify the best possible solution for each of the problems identified during the first three stages. Here's an example. Now, the last and final stage of the design thinking process is the testing. Designers go through the complete product using the best solutions identified during the previous stage. Results generated during this testing stage are often used to redefine one or more problems and inform the understanding of the users. And that is it. That's the example. I hope y'all enjoyed my presentation. Thank y'all for watching. Goodbye.